Hey, what's up everybody? Fireball here and welcome guys to TE Offroad. Now, this is a mobile game that, well, my brother recommended it to me to do a video on it, so I decided to do it. So, wait, it says on the right hand side of the screen, it's free roam, fuel run, and time trials. I'm gonna go for free roam. The truck looks cool. Oh my gosh! The truck from the back looks like the MAGNUM OPUS from Mad Max. It sounds like it too. Wait, can I? Oh, I get the barrel rolls. Do a barrel roll. Do a barrel roll. Do a flip. That sucked. Guys, I think I feel a little overexcited. I love off-road. Like mobile off-roading games. They are so fun. Like, because you can find glitches. Well, watch this. You can do barrel rolls and flips. So, nope. Land it. Yeah! Elite skills! 360! I'm gonna try and do it. Okay, so if I'm reversing and I whip it around, I can do that! I can do a 180. Well, according to my brother, this truck tops out at around 136 miles an hour, which that's pretty fast for a truck, but it's an all with about 1400 horsepower. Sorry about the audio, the way it clicks in and out, sort of. I don't know what's causing that, but my recorder shouldn't be doing that. Okay, landed it. Oh, by the way, guys, I'm gonna be doing a live stream tomorrow. If you guys see this, on the day it's uploaded, then I'm gonna be doing a live stream. So yeah, let's get back to it. Skills! Let's go! Wow, whoa! Frick! A barrel roll. I tried to do a barrel roll mid-air. I tried to do that. Well, I'm trying to steer, but I set air controls to buttons. But just so you guys know, I'm great at driving, no matter what sort of scenario. Off-road, racing. Like, I'm a master of Gran Turismo, Need for Speed, and Gigabit Off-Road. I'm just playing from instinct that I got from Gigabit Off-Road. This isn't even that good of skills. But guys, if you guys leave a like on this, I will actually, if this video gets 2 likes, I'll do another episode. 2 likes, that's all I need, please. Like, this game is fun! Like, you can do barrel rolls, you can do flips, you can do a barrel flip, which if you guys don't know that, it's where you flip and barrel roll at the same time. Usually when you come down, I call it like the John Cena, I call it the RKO or something. I don't remember what I used to call it. But back in 2009, I used to do that. Where I was in a truck and I flipped in that sort of shape, and I called it the, oh yeah, it was the John Cena. Okay, or the RKO. I wasn't really sure. I called it the RKO, I'm pretty sure. Maybe the John Cena. Oh wait, no, my brother's literally was the one seeing it. But anyways, flying around at the speed of whoa, we're already at 100 miles an hour. 115. Okay, we're going straight uphill. Not good. Oh guys, sorry about my voice as well. Because my voice has been really out of shape lately. Like my nose, the mucus in my nose and in my sinuses has gone into my throat, and then it's come out into where my tonsils where my vocal cords are. So that's why my voice like in most racing games, I'm not that impressed, and I do something cool because I've seen these things as a child, and I take it seriously. Oh god, I feel. And I'm still rolling, keep rolling, rolling, rolling.